Welcome to Candy Castle, a magical fortress of marshmallows and licorice where every candy flavor shines. But one day, trouble began brewing in the land of candy. In the quiet shadows of the lollipop forest, Bitter Bumble felt left out. Why does no one notice me? He wondered. Maybe my sour can change things. With a flick of his wand, Bitter Bumble began turning the world sour. The once sweet candy castle grew dull, and the candy creatures felt the change. But Sky Blue Cat and Yellow Dog knew what to do. "We must find the source of this sour magic and restore balance," said Sky Blue Cat. Their journey took them through magical meadows and forests filled with candy wonders. But they noticed hints of sourness creeping into the once bright world. First, they faced the licorice labyrinth, where every twist held a clue. Clues left by Bitter Bumble that revealed his longing to be noticed. Each clue reminded them that differences could create harmony. Next, the Lollipop Grove tested their understanding with riddles about friendship and acceptance. "We're learning how to blend all flavors," said Yellow Dog, wagging his tail. Finally, they found Bitter Bumble, alone in the shadowy woods, his sour wand dim and his heart heavy. "Why have you turned the world sour?" asked Sky Blue Cat. "I just wanted to be noticed. I thought my sourness didn't matter," said Bitter Bumble. "Every flavor has its place," said Sky Blue Cat. "Sour can make sweet even better." Together, they blended sour with sweet, restoring balance and harmony to Candy Castle. Bitter Bumble learned that his sourness added something special to the sweetness. Candy Castle shone brighter than ever, a perfect mix of flavors embraced by all. And so, the friends returned home, their hearts full of the sweet lesson. Every flavor makes the world complete. In Candy Castle, kindness and acceptance brought the perfect blend of sweetness. The end.